The air in Hue was thick and humid, a familiar weight that settled over the ancient city. But within the walls of the newly built PVT house, a different kind of atmosphere prevailed. Here, the heat wasn't a burden but a force to be tamed, directed, and even welcomed. Designed by Cote Architects in 2024, the house was a testament to the studio's commitment to climate-smart design, a philosophy built on the principles of natural light, ventilation, and a deep respect for the environment. The structure, composed of two stacked concrete volumes, seemed to breathe, its open terraces and adjustable glass doors acting like lungs that drew in fresh air and light from the spacious garden at its heart. The design was an elegant paradox, a sanctuary that was also a celebration of the outdoors. To maintain a sense of seclusion, the architects had pushed the two-story house to the edge of its plot, creating a generous front yard that served as a verdant buffer. But this was no solid fortress. Instead, the building shielded a lush central garden, a key attraction of the plot. The transition from the outdoor courtyard to the interior was seamless, a deliberate blurring of boundaries that connected the inhabitants to the natural world. The use of raw, no-frills materials like exposed concrete was a crucial part of this philosophy. These thick slabs and walls not only helped cut costs but also proved to be the ideal foundation for a home designed to withstand the region's humid, tropical climate and heavy rainfall. Inside, the house was a masterclass in passive cooling. Operable glass doors and thermal pads were carefully integrated into the design, working in harmony to reduce the need for artificial air conditioning. An open rear terrace, shaded by the overlapping concrete shell of the upper volume, created a natural channel for airflow and light, drawing a constant, gentle breeze into the shared living and kitchen spaces. Next to it, sliding glass doors opened directly onto the garden, ensuring that even on the warmest days, the interior was bathed in a soft, diffused light. This layered design, with its strategic voids and solid forms, allowed air to circulate freely, creating a comfortable microclimate without the help of a single mechanical fan or air conditioner. The upper level continued this thoughtful approach to design. A concrete corridor, which naturally ventilated while protecting the rooms from direct sunlight, served as a spine connecting the private spaces. Off this corridor, smaller terrace balconies offered private vertical gardens and secluded escapes from the bedrooms. Each of these outdoor nooks was a direct extension of the living space, a personal retreat where one could enjoy the timeless beauty of nature. Cote Architects described this dynamic as a balance of contradiction and unity, solidity and void, a design that flowed seamlessly to transform the home's spaces from enclosed rooms into balanced situations, where privacy and openness coexisted in perfect harmony. Ultimately, the PVT house wasn't just a building, it was a living, breathing ecosystem. Its layered structure and lattice-like profile were the result of a singular focus on temperature moderation and energy efficiency. By prioritizing natural ventilation and light, the architects had created a home that not only protected its inhabitants but also fostered a deeper connection to their environment. It was a clear reflection of Cote Architects' ethos, a belief that sustainable design could be both beautiful and practical, and that the human relationship with place could be a cornerstone of modern architecture. The PVT House stood as a quiet testament to the idea that in a rapidly changing world, the most innovative solutions are often the ones that honor the wisdom of nature itself. As we wrap up our tour of the PVT House, it's clear that this isn't just a home, it's a living blueprint for the future of architecture in Vietnam. Cote Architects has shown us that by working with nature, not against it, we can create spaces that are both stunningly beautiful and incredibly efficient. The thoughtful use of concrete, the seamless blend of indoor and outdoor spaces, and the ingenious passive cooling systems all remind us that sustainable design is about more than just technology. It's about a deeper connection to the environment. We hope you've been as inspired as we have by this incredible example of climate-smart design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Let us know in the comments what you think of the PVT House and what other architectural wonders you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.